In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam won't open issue in Windows. If clicking the Steam icon does nothing, or it briefly appears and closes, don't worry. We'll walk through a few reliable fixes that work on Windows 10 and Windows 11, starting with the simplest and moving to slightly more involved options. First, do a full restart of your PC. A proper reboot clears temporary glitches and closes background processes that may be blocking Steam from launching. Use the Start menu to shut down, wait about 30 seconds so the hardware fully powers down, then turn the computer back on. After the desktop loads, try launching Steam again. This single step resolves a surprising number of cases because it wipes out lingering sessions and stuck components. Next, make sure Windows is fully updated. In the search bar, type check for updates and open the Windows Update settings. Download and install any available updates, including optional ones that are device or security related. Updates often refresh critical services and runtime components that Steam depends on. If Windows asks for a restart, complete it, then try opening Steam once more. If Steam still won't open, clear out any stuck Steam processes. Press Windows X and open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and scroll through the list for Steam entries, such as Steam.exe or Steam Client Bootstrapper. Right-click each Steam-related item and choose End Task. Be careful to close only Steam processes, not unrelated system tasks. Once everything Steam-related is closed, launch Steam again from your desktop or the Start menu. This removes any hung background instance that can prevent a fresh launch. Finally, try running Steam with elevated permissions. Right-click your Steam shortcut, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and start Steam. Sometimes Windows security or file permissions can block the client from initializing properly, and administrator rights remove that barrier. If Steam opens normally without admin rights, keep it that way. If enabling administrator mode fixes the issue, you can leave it on. If it doesn't help, uncheck the box to return to normal permissions. Work through these steps in order, testing after each one. It covered the most common reasons Steam fails to open on Windows. Thanks for watching.